I'm going to go over how I've been tagging files and images for this CCTV data set. What I did first was I installed um, this uh, the program, which 51. I installed it using pip. I didn't use the Docker, but um, either way, it should work. Um, the next thing would be to get it started up. So here we are in the my little project directory. So I made a virtual environment. So let me just activate that real quick. And then we will start it up. This would be your minimum and maximum image set. I was working on this one at one point. So it's in my clipboard history. So we'll just go with that. All right. And now the program starts up once you run it. It should pop up in the browser. So we're just waiting here. It's pretty slow to get started. There we go. Okay, so now once you're in here, uh, it's not super straightforward how to do this, but what you want to do is drill into this box area and click on this none. Don't ask me why it's none. And then once you do that, click on this image ID, and the IDs pop up. Now you're good to go. Now, when you're going through these images, basically what you want to do is find this image ID down here of the images that aren't very good. So for example, you can say this is our first one. This would be probably not a good image. It's close up. It's mostly of food. Full, there's not a entire person in the image. This one might be okay. You'd want to make sure that these bounding boxes are around people and that there's no extra people like this over here on the left side. If you zoom in, is that really a person? It shows this bounding box over here. Um, I don't know if that's a person. So I'd probably tag this one as bad. Just write down the image number and then moving on. This one's probably okay as long as there aren't any people out here. Probably fine. I'm not sure about this one. It's kind of questionable because it looks like it's a picture of an image to me. I think everybody's kind of take on a lot of these is different. I would skip this. It's too up close. There's no full-fledged person. That one's not good. This one, um, it's probably okay. I don't know. This one's kind of a gray area for me. Um, Kind of this guy in the corner here. What else? Okay, this is probably okay. I don't like the fact that this laptop's here up close, but I think I would not mark that. Anyways, and then down here we got this actually looks pretty good. Keep it. This would never really appear in a data set, and the background's blurry. I'd probably mark that as skip. Um, this one has a reflection, and they don't want reflections, so mark this one as a bad image. This has a guy on a poster marked bad. That's a bad angle. And it's a kid. I'd probably mark that as bad. Um, Bad. You can't really see all the legs there. This one has a reflection, so that's bad. Let's see. Not super happy about this because of the legs and knee, but I'd probably keep this one. Okay, fine. probably fine. This one looks fine. Bad, bad. Because you see, it's got a box over. That's not a person. At least not a real person. So I'd mark that as bad. Plus, it's blurry back here. It's like it's got bokeh applied. This is too hard. Like I don't think you can even tell what's a person exactly back there as human. There might be a person on this bike that's not marked even. Not sure. I just bad. Yeah, bad. I don't know if this is even bad. Keep. Hmm. Like this is kind of a gray area. I'd probably keep it, I guess. This one's probably bad just because, yeah, see, these are probably some people out here that aren't marked. It's hard to tell. If it's too hard, skip. This is bad. It's a reflection. Could keep that or throw it away maybe. It's kind of, this one's bad. And then, so I guess the images that are like if they're underwater, they don't want them. And then I would review the notes that Currid has in his GitHub as well. But that kind of gives you an overview of which images kind of you want to keep for CCTV versus marking as bad. That's it.